Opus Camper OP4. If you love off-road adventures but don't want to sacrifice comfort, the Opus Camper OP4 is the perfect choice. This tough yet luxurious camper trailer is built to handle rough terrain with its heavy-duty suspension, dual shock absorbers, off-road tires, and a fully galvanized chassis. Whether you're heading into the mountains, the desert, or deep into the wild, this camper is ready for the journey. One of its coolest features is the Air Beam technology, which lets you set up camp in minutes. Instead of struggling with poles, the canopy inflates automatically, making the process fast and hassle-free. Inside, it's all about comfort. Two spacious double beds, one convertible to a king size, soft leatherette seating, and a fully functional external kitchen make camping feel like home. Designed for families or groups of friends who love exploring off-grid, the OP4 combines rugged durability with high-end comfort. ProCampTech Fire Strip Roll, the ultimate fire-starting tinder that works anywhere, anytime, in any weather. Whether you're camping, hiking, or facing an emergency, this water-resistant fire starter ensures you can easily light a fire when you need it most. This compact fire strip comes in a small puck-sized box, 8.4 centimeters in diameter, making it easy to carry. Inside, you'll find 15 meters of waxed fiber paper, Rapid SL insulated long sleeping mat, stay warm anywhere. Want a cozy and warm sleep even in the snow? The Rapid SL insulated long sleeping mat is the perfect companion for camping in any season. It's designed to keep you comfortable in cold temperatures without adding unnecessary weight to your gear. Weighing just 545 grams without the bag and pump, this mat is light and easy to carry. Despite its lightweight build, it's packed with high-tech features, including aircraft-grade seams for durability and antimicrobial treatment to keep it clean and fresh. The secret to its warmth? Multiple layers of heat-reflective film that trap and retain body heat, ensuring you stay comfortable even on frozen ground. With a spacious size of 51 by 200 centimeters, it gives you plenty of room to rest after a long day outdoors. SAS Recon Folding Survival Bow, compact, powerful, and built to last. This folding survival bow is designed for adventure, whether you're hunting, practicing, or preparing for the unexpected. Made in the USA, it's crafted for durability and can last a lifetime. What sets it apart? Speed and power. Arrows fly at an impressive 60 meters per second, making it one of the fastest survival bows available. Despite its strength, it's incredibly compact. When folded, it easily fits into most backpacks, so you can carry it anywhere without hassle. SB9 Heated Sleeping Bag. Stay warm no matter the season. This all-season sleeping bag comes with built-in heating. So whether you're camping in chilly mountains or frosty winter nights, you'll always be cozy and comfortable. Each SB9 includes 2 heaters, but if you need extra warmth, you can add 2 more. Even with its heating technology, it's 25% more compact than similar sleeping bags, making it easier to carry while still providing plenty of warmth. At just 3.8 kilograms, it's light enough to take on any adventure without weighing you down. Designed for ease and convenience, this sleeping bag has a full-length zipper that runs all the way around for quick entry and exit. It also features magnetic buttons for secure closure without the hassle. As a bonus, each kit includes a soft pillow and a handy carrying bag, giving you everything you need for a great night's sleep outdoors. Silk Bag. A cozy sleeping bag you can wear like a suit. It keeps you warm and comfortable while giving you the freedom to move around. Unlike regular sleeping bags, this one has arms and legs, so you don't have to stay zipped up in one spot. Whether you're camping, backpacking, traveling, or just relaxing at home, it's a perfect companion. Made with soft insulation on the outside and a warm inner lining, the Silk Bag feels like a snug blanket you can walk around in. Depending on the model, it uses materials like polyester and even recycled plastic bottles, making it both comfy and eco-friendly. It's available in different colors and styles, so you can pick one that suits your vibe. Prices vary based on size, with the Silk Bag Original ranging from $200 for a small size to $220 for extra large. If you love the outdoors but hate the struggle of getting in and out of a sleeping bag, this wearable version is a game changer. Supply staff. Justin Skaggs, a lacrosse stick maker, never planned to create survival gear, but one camping trip changed everything. After forgetting his survival kit, he had to improvise, which led to the idea for this multi-purpose survival staff. Wrapped in 12 meters of paracord, this staff isn't just for walking, it hides essential survival tools inside. Need to clean up? There's a hygiene pack. Going fishing? It has hooks and a fishing line. Feeling cold? A blanket is tucked inside. And if you need protection or to hunt, there's even a knife. What's even cooler? You can attach the knife to the staff to turn it into a spear. The staff is adjustable up to 1.5 meters, making it practical for different situations. Whether you're hiking, camping, or preparing for survival, this tool is a game changer. It's just one of Skaggs' smart inventions for outdoor lovers who like to be ready for anything. Swacker Crossbow Broadhead. Sharper, stronger, more effective. If you're using a crossbow for hunting, you'll want the right broadhead to get the job done. The Swacker Crossbow Broadhead is designed to slice through skin, ribs, and tough tissue with ease, ensuring maximum penetration for a clean and effective shot. What makes it special? Unlike standard arrow tips, these broadheads open upon impact, creating a wider cutting surface for greater accuracy and efficiency. This means your arrow passes through smoothly, making each shot more reliable and powerful. Whether you're an experienced hunter or just starting out, this sharp, precision-engineered design helps improve your overall performance. Taiga Magnum No. 5, a strong and affordable trap. Meet the Taiga Magnum No. 5, a powerful and reliable trap designed for serious use. With strong springs generating 70 kilograms of force, it's built to get the job done efficiently. However, setting it up takes effort. The manufacturer recommends using special tools to avoid injury. What makes this trap stand out? Despite its incredible strength, it remains budget-friendly at just $29. That means you get a high-performance tool without spending a fortune. Whether you're an experienced trapper or need a sturdy and effective solution, the Taiga Magnum No. 5 delivers power, durability, and value in one compact package. Strong, affordable, and built to last, this trap is ready to handle tough jobs. Terran Campfire Puffy Jacket, a tough, adventure-ready jacket that can handle thorns, water, rocks, and even campfire sparks. Unlike ordinary jackets, this one is built to last, resisting damage and keeping you protected in any outdoor setting. The makers went even further with version 2.0, making it 10 times more comfortable than before. Whether you're hiking, camping, or just exploring, this jacket is designed to keep you warm and safe while tackling the wild. It comes in 5 different sizes and is priced at $400. But it's more than just a jacket. It's a reliable companion for outdoor enthusiasts. With 6 spacious pockets, you can carry all your essentials, from your phone and wallet to small tools, without needing a backpack. Lightweight yet durable, this jacket is perfect for anyone who loves the outdoors but wants comfort, warmth, and protection all in one. Take it anywhere. The UFO Reel is the perfect compact fishing tool for anglers who love to fish anytime, anywhere. Made from strong yet lightweight aluminum, this small reel delivers smooth and reliable performance, thanks to its 35 ball bearings. Whether you're out for a casual fishing trip or serious bass fishing, this reel won't disappoint. One of its standout features is its versatility. It's left-hand friendly, making it easy to use for everyone. Designed for monofilament fishing line, it offers great control and precision, helping you land your catch with ease. The UFO Reel is not only durable and efficient, but also incredibly portable, making it a great addition to any fishing adventure. Whether you're casting from a riverbank, a boat, or a lakeside dock, this reel is built to perform. At $149, it's a high-quality investment for anyone who enjoys fishing on the go. If you're an outdoor enthusiast looking for lightweight and durable gear, this titanium canteen set is a must-have. Made entirely from titanium, it's strong, rust-resistant, and ultralight, weighing just 158 grams, perfect for camping, hiking, or survival situations. The set includes a leak-proof flask and two multi-purpose containers with 750 milliliter and 400 milliliter capacities. You can use them for boiling water, cooking meals, or storing drinks, making them an essential part of any adventure. Plus, the included lid and hooks add extra convenience, ensuring easy handling in outdoor environments. Water Snake Universal. Fishing from a kayak or canoe just got easier with the Water Snake Universal motor. Designed by two Australian fishermen, this compact yet powerful electric motor is perfect for small boats. It gives you smooth, effortless movement on the water, so you can focus on catching fish instead of paddling. Unlike old DIY mounts, this motor comes with a strong and easy-to-install bracket. The hand tiller has an extendable handle, making steering comfortable and simple. With just a switch, you can move forward or backward without any hassle. The motor's special propeller delivers 18 pounds of thrust, giving your boat a steady push without scaring away the fish. Weighing just a few pounds, it won't add bulk to your boat, but will make every trip much more enjoyable. Whether you're fishing in a quiet lake or exploring new waters, this motor makes it easy to move around without effort. Wayland Outdoors Survival Hatchet, tough, lightweight, and adventure-ready. If you love the outdoors, this survival hatchet is a must-have. Perfect for chopping firewood, making kindling, or even throwing. It's designed to handle multiple survival tasks with ease. Built from a single piece of 4mm thick steel, this axe is incredibly durable yet lightweight at just 765 grams. Its compact size makes it easy to carry on hikes, camping trips, or survival adventures without weighing you down. For just $35, you get a versatile and sturdy hatchet that's ready for any challenge. But that's not all. Buyers also receive a 90-page survival guide packed with essential tips and tricks to help you stay prepared in the wild. Woodhaven the Intimidator. It may sound like a wrestler's stage name, but it's actually a powerful deer call that helps hunters attract game with lifelike grunts and snorts. At just $22, it's an affordable and highly effective tool for bringing deer closer. Unlike some calls that require strong lungs and perfect technique, the Intimidator is easy to use, making it perfect for beginners and experienced hunters alike. Simply blow into it, and the realistic sounds will grab the attention of nearby deer, drawing them toward your location. Another big plus? It's small and lightweight, so you can easily slip it into your backpack and take it anywhere. Whether you're out for a quick hunt or a long outdoor trip, this compact, hassle-free deer call will be a valuable addition to your gear. If you're looking for a reliable, simple, and effective way to improve your hunting success, X3 Climbing Sticks. Climb higher with confidence. For hunters and outdoor lovers who need to get up high quickly and safely, the X3 climbing sticks are a game changer. This system lets you climb up to 5.5 meters on tree trunks, making it perfect for setting up a hunting stand, scouting an area, or getting a better view of nature. Made from lightweight aluminum, the X3 weighs just 1.4 kilograms, but can support up to 159 kilograms, giving you strength without extra weight. The set includes 4 sturdy climbing sticks, making it easy to carry and assemble wherever you go. At $200, it might seem like a big investment, but for those who value safety, speed, and efficiency, it's worth every penny. Whether you're a hunter looking for the perfect vantage point or an outdoor adventurer needing a reliable climbing tool, the X3 climbing sticks help you reach new heights with ease and stability.